What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to redesign this website, and we're going to do a website makeover. Our goal is to get it to look like this. You ready? Let's go. First thing I like to do is go to their Google My Business. So I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to type in Mr. Eco Wash. Let's see if they have a Google My Business. They do. So what I do is I like to go to the Google My Business and get photos of their car wash in action. You can see right here, the way I save the picture is I right click, save image as, and then I give it a good title. So as you can see, I've already downloaded 6 images from their Google My Business. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. That's the way I like to get the images. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to go into our WordPress. Now we're starting from scratch. Okay, so this is how our page looks right now. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. It's empty. We're going to preview the page, and this is how it looks. Okay, so first step, what I like to do is I like to go to my chat GPT. I like to say, hey chat, I'm redesigning this website right here, Mr. Eco Wash. I'm going to give you the URL, and let's go step by step each section if you can give me the HTML. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this. I hit stop, and then I go grab the URL of their car wash, of their existing car wash. So let's go ahead and type that in, Mr. I think it's ecowash.com, right? So I grab the URL, copy it. I put it into ChatGPT so they can know, so ChatGPT can know the colors, the branding, and all that stuff, okay? So let me go ahead and paste that URL here. All right, so I gave chat a prompt that said, hey chat, I'm redesigning this website, Mr. Eco Wash. Let's see. I'm going to give you the URL, and let's go step by step each section if you can give me the HTML. So I go ahead and put that prompt. What's up? What's up? Let's rebuild Mr. Eco Wash step by step. Hold up a minute. We already know the direction we want for this makeover. Clean, modern, local, mobile friendly, and built to push people toward booking. Let's start with section 1. So chat gave me section 1, which is going to be our top utility bar. So what I do is I copy the code, go back into WordPress, then I hit plus, and then we're going to hit custom HTML, and we're going to drop it in by clicking edit HTML, and then I'm going to control V. I think it's alt V on the Mac. I'm not too for sure, but we're going to paste it. Then we hit update. Now, what I like to make sure is on my page, let me get out the way here, have no sidebars. I'm using Generate Press theme, by the way. Generate Press, if you need it, I'll put a link in the description. And then we got the footer widgets. I'm going to just put default, and container width, I want to put full width. And then we're going to click save. All right. So this should be the top of our website. So let's go ahead and hit refresh. There we go. There's the top of the website right there. So then I go back into ChatGPT. Let me get out the way here. Then I say, okay, chat, section 1 is looking fire. Let's go ahead and design section 2. So I tell ChatGPT, let's go ahead and design section 2. It's going to spit out the HTML for me right there. Boom. Now remember, I gave it a sample of the original website. So now it knows its branding colors. It knows the colors that we want to make our website makeover. So we're going to make over this website. All right. So let's go. So here's section 2. Boom. Copy the HTML. I go back. And then I click underneath here. We want this black plus, and we want custom HTML and edit HTML, and then we're going to paste. All right, boom. So now, oh, that's looking nice. Let's go ahead and click save, and we're going to click refresh. So now we got this little thing here, got the phone number and everything, and then we got the top header. Okay, or I guess you call it a menu bar. Let's go ahead and ask chat for section number 3. All right, chat, this website is coming out fire. Can we go ahead and design section 3? Please give me the entire HTML. What I like to do is when I'm asking ChatGPT to do something and I like it, I like to tell ChatGPT I like it. That way it gets to learn my style. Okay, that's just my personal preference. All right, so you might hear me say, hey, chat, that's fire. Hey, chat, I like the way it came out, because then it begins to know what you like. Right? So like I said, that's my personal preference. So now we're doing the hero section. Now remember, I've already uploaded 6 images to WordPress. I got them from the Google My Business. All right. And I already put the images into chat. So let's go. So I'm going to copy the hero section. And we're going to go underneath right here. We're going to click plus, custom HTML, edit HTML, and we're going to hit paste. Let's see. Boom. Nice. Nice. Let's go ahead and click save. Give your card the attention it deserves. Tell me that's not fire, family. Now remember, I got these images from their Google My Business page. All right, let's go ahead and design section 4. Once again, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell chat this is fire. Hey chat, section 3 is fire. Let's go ahead and design section 4. Let's see what you come up with. All right, so once again, I told it, it's section 3 is fire. It is fire though. Look at that. Let me show it to you. This is the original. All right. So we're already here. Boom. Look at the difference just with 3 sections already. So this is the original. Not hating on it, but we're going to make it over. Look at that. That's fire. All right. Let's go ahead and get section 4, which is going to be quick benefits and the trust strip. So we're going to copy that HTML. I'm going to go ahead and go over here, put it underneath, and we're going to click. Wait till that black plus shows up. We're going to click it. Click custom HTML, edit HTML, and then paste. All right, hit update. Now you got your trust strip, which is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and save that. So let's go ahead and refresh our website. Let's see how it's looking. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so let's go ahead. All right, chat, section 4 is looking really nice. Can you go ahead and give me the entire HTML for section 5? All right, so chat's going to go ahead and do that for us. Let me get a drink of water. So we're doing a website makeover. You know how they used to do houses and cars? Well, we're doing websites today. By the way, if you need your website makeover, I don't know if that's the right way to say it. If your website needs a makeover, go ahead and drop your URL in the comment section, and maybe yours might be the next one we do a makeover for. Once again, drop your URL in the comment section. All right, so now we're doing the popular services and the pricing. So we're going to copy. I'm going to go back to the website. I'm going to click underneath, click the black plus, custom HTML, edit HTML, and then paste. All right. Choose the right wash for your card. Man, this is fire. That's fire. Let's go ahead and click save. All right, let's go ahead and review this website. The update, looking nice. That's fire. Man, that's fire right there, family. All right, I like it. So let's go ahead and go with section 6. Hey, chat, this website is coming out really nice. Let's go ahead and do section 6. All right. So once again, I like to tell ChatGPT, hey, you're doing a good job. So then it knows that I like what it's doing. And then if I do future websites, it kind of knows my style. Okay, you got to train your AI. Okay, you got to train it. All right, so now it's doing section 6, premium detailing. So that's going to be the next section it does. Now remember, this is our original website. Okay, not knocking it, but that's the original website. So we're trying to step it up. And what we've got so far is this, right? That's what we got. All right, let's go. We got section 6, premium detailing. We're going to copy. We're going to go back to the website. We're going to click underneath right here. Click the black plus. Click custom HTML, edit HTML, and then paste. Ooh, nice. Nice. That's fire. Let's go ahead and click save. Let's do section 7. All right, chat. Section 6 is on another level. Let's go ahead and do section 7. So that was me talking to ChatGPT. So now it's doing section 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this website. I want to see how section 6 looks on the website. Go beyond the wash. When your vehicle needs more than a quick clean, Mr. Eco Wash offers deeper interior and exterior detailing designed to restore the look, feel, and finish of your car. Come on, you know this is fire right here. Look at that. And just how the things move, it's interactive. It's nice. I like how it's moving like that. That's fire. Book detail, questions, give us a call. That's fire. All right, let's go. Section 7, why choose Mr. Eco Wash? There we go. And we're going to copy that, go back to the website. We're going to click underneath, click the black plus, click custom HTML, edit HTML, and we're going to paste section 7. Boom. Local service, personal attention. I'm loving the images. Now remember, I got all the images from their Google My Business. So this is the actual car wash. So if you want to go show the owner of this company, this sample website you've done, they're going to see real pictures of their business. You can do this for barbershop, car wash, window tinting, or sandwich shop. Okay. So that's how I get the pictures. All right. So these are real pictures and it's looking fire. So let's go ahead and click save. And we're going to hit refresh. And let's see how that section looks. Local service, personal attention, hands-on care. I love how the image is moving. I love it. Eco-conscious cleaning, more than a basic wash. San Francisco local. Nice. All right. Let's go ahead and ask chat to do section 8. Okay, chat, looking good. Let's go ahead and do section 8. All right, so it's going to do section 8 for us. Let's just look at everything real quick. I'm loving how this came out. I'm loving it a lot. It looks really good. Yeah. All right. So let's go ahead and give chat some time. So now it says section 8, customer reviews and social proof, which is always good for a website. Now remember, this is just a sample website. You can still optimize it for SEO, which we can do later on by creating a blog and then optimize it for different keywords that people are searching for car washes in the city of this car wash. Okay, but we're just doing a sample site right now. Okay, but there's so much you can do once you have a website. All right, so let's go ahead and copy section 8. Go back to the website, click underneath here, do the black plus, custom HTML, edit HTML, and we're going to paste. Update. Ooh, look at that. So this is samples, but they have actual reviews on their website. We can grab those reviews and put them here, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do local customer and do like a, local customer for all 3. We're not going to put names yet, but we're going to show them that when they get reviews, they can put it on their website. All right. So let's go ahead and click save, and then we're going to click refresh. All right. So let's go ahead and check out this website. Nice. Nice. Oh, come on. That's fire. All right. Hey, chat, looking good? Let's go ahead and do the next section. Okay, so this is ChatGPT helping me out. Now, remember, when we started, I went to their original website, got the URL, gave it to chat, said, hey, chat, we want to do a makeover over this website. Chat was able to get all the brand colors and go from there. Then I went to the Google My Business and got the actual pictures that we're going to put that we're using on the website. So that's powerful. And I uploaded those pictures to ChatGPT. Okay. And you can ask ChatGPT, hey, what pictures do you think will be good to use for the website? You have 6 pictures. It might tell you use 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 6. And here's the one you should use. Okay. All right. Section 9, location, hours, and booking. So we're going to copy that. Go over to the website, click down here, click the black plus, custom HTML, edit HTML, and paste. Nice. Ready for a cleaner car? I love it. Let's go ahead and click save. And we're going to click refresh. Let's scroll down. Ready for a cleaner. I love this website, man. You could easily pay $1,500 for this website. Easily. Easily. I mean, come on. Look at the difference. This is cool. I'm not knocking it. This is cool. I'm not hating on it. But we took it to another level. We did a makeover. Look at this. Easily, you could pay $1,500 for this website. Easily. All right. Let's go ahead and do the next section, chat. All right. So we're going to see here. I think we're almost done. I think we're going to do like 10 or 11 sections. Yeah, we're doing the footer. So this is the last section right here. So we're almost done. What, 15 minutes or so? And we're rebuilding this website from scratch and making it look fire. Yeah, this is fire. All right, so let's go ahead and copy the HTML. Go back to the website. If you're the owner of Mr. Eco Wash and you want this website, hit your boy up. All right, hit plus, custom HTML, edit HTML, and Control V. Update. Let's go ahead and click save. We're going to click refresh and scroll down. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I don't think the footer came in. Let's see, where's the footer? For some reason it didn't show up. Here's the footer here. I'm not for sure why it's not showing up. Let me just check it one more time. Let's hit refresh. There it is. That's fire. And book now. So then what ChatGPT did is when I gave it the original URL, it found out what's their booking page and all the URLs that are needed for the website. So when you click book now, it actually takes you to their booking page. This is a sample, but it's almost ready to launch, family. That's fire, right? So you go here, book your car, get directions. It takes you to the map. Tell me that's not fire, family. Got right here, read more reviews, book your service. Look at that. You could book an appointment. Let's see if where these buttons go. Book a detail. You know, that's probably going to take you to the book appointment page again. Let's see. Book premium wash probably takes you to the booking section. View services. Oh, fire. It scrolls down to the services section. That's fire. So you can pretty much call this website done. Let's click services. Nice. I like it. Pricing. That one's not working. Okay, reviews. Nice. All right, and then we got here, location, nice. The only one that's not working is the pricing, which we could probably fix. We could fix that. Oh, book now. We got that going on, nice. So I would probably go in and have to fix the pricing section. But other than that, you know, it's looking nice, looking fire. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and fix that. I'll show you how I would fix it. This is what I would do. I would go to chat. And I would say, hey, chat, the website came out really nice. The only challenge is in our menu, we have services, pricing, reviews, and location. Services is working, reviews is working, location is working. But when I click pricing, nothing happens. Would you know why that's happening and can we fix it? So what I basically did is I told ChatGPT the challenge that we're having. So let's see what it's going to do. All right. So it's probably going to go in and say, oh, this is the problem. So here we go. I know exactly what's happening. The pricing menu link is pointing to, but nowhere on the page do we currently have pricing. That's why nothing happens. Since the pricing is already inside section 5, the cleanest fix is to add a pricing anchor inside that section. You do not need to redesign anything. In section 5, find this. So what I like to do is I like to say, hey, chat, can you just redesign section 5 and give me the entire HTML? Then I don't have to go and copy and paste. So let's do it. Okay, chat, thank you. Do me a favor. Can you give me the entire code for section 5, the entire HTML, so I could just copy and paste with these changes? So we'll do it like that. And then hopefully chat will give me the entire section. All right. And I copy and paste the new HTML and that pricing button should be working. So let's see if it works. All right, we're almost done, family. Like I said, if you want your website nominated for a website makeover, drop your URL in the comments section. Also, if this video has given you any value, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get section 5. We're going to copy it. We're going to go to our website and let's find section 5. So I think we got section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, and section 5. So let's go ahead and, section 5 right there. Okay. So we're going to select all that, delete, we're going to paste and update. And we're going to click save. All right. Let's go ahead and refresh our brand new website. So now hopefully when we click pricing, boom, there it is, family. That's how you redesign a website from scratch. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments section. Here's our original. And here's our makeover. That's fire. Fire. If you're the owner of Mr. Eco Wash, hit your boy up. If you want your website nominated for a website makeover, drop your URL in the comments section. Don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.